This video will show you 2 ways to install Descent T1. For better reception, please install T1 on the side where you wear the watch, and above your shoulders. It is up to you to whether keep the mechanical pressure gauge, and decide which side to install it on. In this video, we will keep the mechanical pressure gauge on the left, install T1 on the right, and wear MK2I on the right hand too. When installing, do not connect the regulator to the diving cylinder and confirm that it has been depressurized. The first installation way: install T1 directly to the first stage regulator. In addition to T1 and the regulator, you will also need a 16 mm wrench. Before starting, make sure that the flow restrictor is installed on T1. Next, screw T1 onto the high pressure port of the first stage. Keep screwing until you feel resistance, and then use the wrench to tighten the screw. And that's it. Lastly, please watch this video. Pair T1 with your MK2I, and complete the setup of T1. The second installation way: install T1 to the first stage regulator via hose extension. This improves reception and makes you less likely to hear the sonar sound from T1. Recommend using it. In addition to T1, the regulator, and the high-pressure hose extension, you will also need a small flathead screwdriver, a 16 mm wrench, a wrench for the size of your hose extension, and the included air spool. Before starting, replace the flow restrictor with the air spool. Insert the flathead screwdriver into the groove on the top of the flow restrictor, and push it up. After it is pushed out enough, pull out the flow restrictor by hand. Next, we are going to install the air spool. Face the large end of the air spool to T1. Press it in by hand, and press down to the end. Next, screw the hose extension to the high pressure port of the first stage, and tighten it with the wrench. Then, screw T1 onto the hose extension. Keep screwing until you feel resistance, and then use the 2 wrenches to tighten the screw. And that's it. Lastly, please watch this video. Pair T1 with your MK2I, and complete the setup of T1. Thanks for watching.